In less than 96 hours, the world will scream, "New year, new me." Millions of people will set massive goals. They will buy gym memberships, start businesses, and promise to change everything. But statistically, 80% of these people will quit by the second week of February. They will burn out. They will fail. Why? Because they are betting on motivation instead of math. Motivation is a feeling. It disappears. Math is a system. It compounds. Today, we are going to fix your 2026 before it even starts. In our last video, we talked about how Warren Buffett built billions, not through speed, but through patience and compounding. Most people understand this with money, but they ignore it with their habits. To win in 2026, you need to stop acting like a gambler, hoping for a lucky break, and start acting like an investor. Here is the 3-step system to compound your personal growth. Rule number 1, ignore the goal. Focus on the input. An input is, I will walk for 20 minutes today, or I will send 5 emails today. You can control inputs. If you stack enough good inputs, the output becomes inevitable. Stop staring at the scoreboard and start playing the game. Rule number 2, the 1% rule. If you get 1% better every day for a year, you don't end up 3 times better. You end up 37 times better. This is the math of compounding. Most people try to change 100% of their life on January 1st. That is a recipe for disaster. In 2026, do not aim for a transformation. Aim for a 1% improvement. It feels small today, but in 6 months, you will be unrecognizable. Rule number 3, never miss twice. Life happens. You will miss a workout. You will eat bad food. You will blow your budget. That is one mistake. The problem isn't the mistake. The problem is the spiral. If you miss one day, your only job is to get back on track immediately. 1 missed day is an accident. 2 missed days is the start of a new bad habit. Don't let it happen. 2026 is an empty book. You are the author, but don't just write down dreams. Build a system that makes those dreams inevitable. If you are ready to master your mindset, productivity, and wealth this year, subscribe to Growth Minds Academy. We are building a community of future leaders, and we want you with us. Let's make this your best year yet.